Framer just dropped a few big updates, and it raises a fair question. Could Framer ever be the next WordPress for web design? The biggest update is Design Pages. It's a freeform canvas that lets you explore ideas, test variations side by side, and collaborate live. The twist? With one click, any design can be turned into a fully responsive website. No messy imports or jumping between tools. Everything happens in Framer. They also added multi-selection support for pages and assets. Now you can duplicate, draft, undraft, or delete multiple pages at once, making it way easier to organize larger projects. And here's why people are hyped. Normally, a typical web design flow means juggling 3 tools, something like Reloom for wireframes, Figma for design exploration, and Webflow for development. It's powerful, but it's also expensive and kind of a headache. With Framer's new flow, you can go from wireframe to design to publish site all in one place. That could mean cutting your tool stack and your subscription costs down dramatically. Plus, you don't have to start from a blank canvas. Wireframer works inside Design Pages to instantly generate multiple layouts, giving you solid directions to start from and saving hours of setup time. Vector editing has been completely revamped, so creating and updating icons, illustrations, or SVGs is smooth and intuitive. You can manage large sets of icons, tweak designs without breaking layouts, and keep all your assets consistent. Other updates include re-engineered image and asset exporting, support for P3 colors, gradients, and animations, a scale tool for resizing complex layouts without wrecking spacing, curated fonts and icon collections, and even real 3D transforms with depth and perspective in CSS. So, is Framer replacing WordPress tomorrow? Not yet, but with Design Pages and all these new tools, it's a serious step toward becoming a full design-to-web ecosystem. Comment below what you think, and let me know if you want me to cover these features in more detail in a future video.